Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually filmed this video and I started editing and I realized that I didn't have an intro, so here's a quick one. In this video, I'm actually showing you how to build this renter-friendly shelf for your plants and also doing a cute little Ikea hack. Stick around and I'll show you everything I'm doing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because in this video, like I told you in the intro, I'm just doing this quick little shelf that is totally renters friendly and it's beautiful. It looks amazing and it's for your plants because I thought my babies needed a place to be and be displayed and not look all cluttered. So this is my solution. And also, I'm not sure if you can see it there, but that little stool is a cute little Ikea hack and I cannot wait to show you guys what I did. It is inspired by Lone Fox, which I'm gonna link his video in my description box, but he is a big inspiration and I just took it to just amp it up a little more. And without any further ado, let's just jump into these DIYs. To get the supplies I needed, I first headed to Home Depot where I wandered around the garden department before I headed over to the lumber section. To build the shelf, I wanted to find a board that was long enough so it could go across the window or the wall where the window is in. So I ended up getting a 2x10x8 board that I cut in half so I could fit it in the lift car on my ride back home. I also got these mending plates so I could put the boards back together when I got home. Once I got it to the house, I gave it a quick sanding and then I stained it using my Berthane Early American stain that I already had. And lastly, to join the pieces together, I just used a little bit of wood glue, my mending plates, and some screws. I then attached the brackets to the wall using 3-inch wood screws and then I attached the board to the brackets using 1.5-inch wood screws as well. For this quick pendant light idea, I used the sand shoulder bracket from Ikea as well as the pendant light kit that they sell for like $8 plus the light bulb that I ordered from Amazon, which is a grow light bulb. For this project, I'm using the Mammut stool from Ikea, the children's stool, it was like $7, white spray paint, some rope, and my glue gun that is not pictured. Using spray paint, I spray painted the legs of the stool, and then with the rope, I created a coil kind of effect, and using my glue gun, I just glued it all around the stool. Lastly, using my candle lighter, I burnt all the scragglers from the rope, but just be careful, you don't want to cause a fire, and did a little bit of styling. And here's our beautiful new shelf in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed these DIYs. I am obsessed with how everything turned out. Like, I love my shelf. I love this little stool behind me. They are so stinking cute. I love the fact that when you walk into my apartment, the first thing you see are my plants. So I'm really happy with everything and how it turned out. With that, I hope that you guys are staying safe. Please wear a mask if you go out. Just do it for your safety and the safety of those around you. And one more thing, guys, I want to ask you, because I do have this empty space right in front of my window. So what do you guys think I could put over here? Maybe, I don't know, give me some ideas. I want to DIY something. I just want to know, like, you know, I don't want it to be tall because I want to keep my windows open, but let me know, like, something over here. What would you put? So sound off below, let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos if you like this content. And I hope that I'm inspiring you all. And with that, don't forget, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. I love you all. See you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.